Greetings, AHOL. Today, we're talking about burps. No, not those kind of burps. These kind of burps. Lego part number 6082. BURP stands for Big Ugly Rock Piece. These oversized prefab elements were a powerful part of many classic Lego castle sets I collected as a kid. Today, some a-holes argue that using burps is kind of a cheat, that sophisticated landscaping and rock building should be accomplished using smaller, individual elements and more refined techniques. But I'm of the mind that when used properly, burps can add a lot to certain builds, especially extravagant mountainscapes and large-scale rock work. The burp measures 10 studs wide, 4 studs deep, and reaches a maximum height of 6 studs. Then, there's Lego part number 6083, aka the LERP. Now, LERP stands for Little Ugly Rock Piece. Think of them kind of like the burp's kid brother. They measure 8 studs wide, 3 studs deep, and peak at a height of 7 studs. There's a million creative ways to use them on their own, and an infinite number of applications when paired with burps and your other favorite landscaping elements and smaller sized bricks. So what's your take on burps and LURPS, fellow a-hole? Do you use them? If so, how? Or are you part of the gang that considers them a creative shortcut? Either way, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe if you can, and we'll see you again real soon.